So we're going to remove this, or I'm going to try to remove this door card. I've got one of these little trim removal kits. It's got lots of little odds and sods, but lots of nice little hook end kind of picks and things like that. Pretty ideal for getting trim and bits off like this, hopefully. 4 screws down the bottom, straightforward to get to. I can also just spotted another one. There's one just here as well, so we'll whip that out as well. They're just posi drive. This trim's probably going to have some behind it, and there's a little notch in the end, so I'm going to put the little hook driver under there and just rotate it. Yep, okay, feels good. Chunk of aluminium, and it's got these little push clips that sink into the trim, so on eBay soon, I think. There is another little, it's a little plastic cover just sitting underneath the handle. So what I was trying to get off was the little cover there, and then behind it, okay, so we've got another little posi screw this angled this way. I wonder whether there's something under this light. Oops, there's a little lens. Yep, another one there. They didn't want this thing to fall off, so perhaps there is something behind the speaker trim. Let's see. Aha. So the speaker trim just had 3 little plastic clips holding that one on. There we go, he's out. So yeah, just you see what I'm talking about there. It's kind of got some damage down on this bottom side, and it's got growth. 2 more nice big screws, one top and bottom of the little aperture. Yep, so little tweeter jobby again, funny little connector. Again, just held in by a couple of little metal clips, so just getting a little pry behind it, pulls that out. And then, yep, yet another screw behind there. All right, so 3 screws along the bottom, 1 under there, 3 behind, well, possibly 3. I only had 2 behind there, 2 behind the speaker, and 1 behind the tweeter, and you are there, he says. So there we go, 1 4200 door card. Another job down. Thanks for watching.